Here we have a classic Land Rover Defender, and the customer needed a Category 1 Alarm and Immobiliser, which is Thatcham approved, therefore insurance approved. And the one that we went for is a Clifford 650 Mark III. Now it comes with one of these remotes, and you use that to actually disarm the alarm system and also disengage the immobiliser. So without that remote, obviously you can't disarm the alarm and you can't get it started. This vehicle comes with central locking. Not all of them do, but this one does. So we wired it up to the central locking system, so he's got remote central locking through the alarm system. The alarm system as well comes with a microwave sensor, which is basically a sensor that's inside the actual vehicle that protects any intrusion inside, any movement inside, and also has a worn away chirp as well. So basically go up towards it gives that distinctive Clifford worn away sound. And additional to that, all the doors are protected, so if anyone pops any of the doors, including the boot and the bonnet, it will trigger the alarm system off instantly. So all we have to do is just unlock the door by disarming the alarm system, jump in and start it up, and off you go. Simple as that. And when you want to lock it, all you have to do is arm it again, and you'll lock your doors and arm the alarm system. So it's very simple to use. There's only one button that you need to use to actually arm it and disarm it. You could also adjust the sensitivity of the microwave sensor inside by using the remote. And that's a sequence of various buttons on the remote, and you could adjust the sensitivity of it if you wanted to. So you don't have to actually go to the sensor and adjust it with a screwdriver. So that's another really nice feature about this alarm system. So if you did want to make it not as sensitive as it is now, purely because where you might park it and people walking past quite close, it'll just end up chirping all the time. So you might want to knock it down a little bit, but you could do that on the remote, which is nice. Like I said, nice and simple. So I mean, it's a lovely Defender. You know, if you've got one of these and you've got no security on it, you need to like really start rethinking what you need to do, because these are highly desirable. They get stolen, they even get stolen for parts, because they're all interchangeable with all the other models that came out over the years. You know, so, and they're so easy to steal as well. To get into them, it's just, you know, obviously when they designed it, they never thought about security at all. It was definitely low in the agenda on one of these vehicles. So if you've got one of these, I really do suggest that you fit any sort of security on it, either a full alarm system or at least a immobiliser. There you have it. That's a Category 1 Alarm and Immobiliser, which is Thatcham approved, obviously insurance approved, on this beautiful Land Rover Defender.